Alright, Jessica, I'm going to try to work this out on video for you. Be a lot easier than trying to explain it. Alright, so when you're working with three numbers, let's say, for example, like 122, let's just keep it simple. We'll say like 122 times 122. Let me show you. You got to kind of do the graph a little bit differently, kind of more of an angle. We're going to keep it simple, so it's 122 times 122, right? Alright. So you start at more of an angle and you go 1 and then 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you're going to start at the bottom and you're going to go 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so those are your intersections there. And each group has its own, so like for example this corner here you would count. This corner over here you would count, and then I'm going to change the colors up a little bit here so you guys don't get a little confused. But you've got this intersection here, okay, and this intersection here. They're going to be together. You also have this intersection here, and also this one here. And then in the middle, you're going to count these ones here, these ones, and these ones together. Okay, so in order to get these numbers, you go, I just simplify it and I go 1, 2 times 1, 2, so that's 2 times 2 equals 4. Okay, and then over here you've got 1 times 1 equals 1, one intersection. There's 1, 2 intersections there, 2 times 1. In the middle here you've got 2 times 2, so it's 4. Down here you've got 2 times 1, so that's 2, and 1, 2 here, and you got 2 over here, and over here you've got 4, you can see, and this one here also has 4. So what you would do is you'd add them up. So for example, let's put that 2 in there. You've got the 1, you've got 2 plus 2 is 4, 2, 4 is 6, plus 2 is 8, you got 4 plus 4 is 8, and then you've got 4. I like to line them up kind of like this, 0, 1, 0, 4, 0, 8, oops, sorry, 0, 8, 0, 8, and 0, 4. You add it up, it should be 4, 8, 8, 4, 1. So your answer should be 14,844. If, for example, there was, say, let's say this number right here was an 18, then that's why I do the zeros, because if it was an 18, you want to put it underneath the 4 there, and it would turn that into a 5. But let's check our work. 122 times 122. Equals 14,884. So there you go. I hope that clears it up for you, and that way I don't have to try to spell it out on Facebook, because that would be very difficult.